Hey guys, welcome to our Dictionary Academy. My name is Pramod, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the best ways to use LinkedIn to find the QA job. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys. So, guys, this video is especially helpful for the people who are QA freshers, as well as if they have experience of 2 to 3 years, as well as even if you have a more than 5 to 6 year experience. This video will be very much helpful. I'm gonna give you five important tips which will help you to use LinkedIn to find any kind of a QA related job or a software tester job. Okay. All right. So let's jump to the tip number one, which is basically what I have seen people doing on LinkedIn, especially, is that they are adding the peers or college friends on the LinkedIn. But whereas what you should be doing is adding HRs as well as the peers who are working with you in the not on same position, at a senior level. What is the advantage for this, Premo? Tell me, why should I add HRs or the person or a senior who are working like ahead of me, right? I'm going to give you the important point here. If you are someone, if you want to get the job, right, you should always add HRs to get more calls, right? On LinkedIn, make sure you are adding HRs and connecting with the HRs. Let them know, hey, you can send them a personalized message that, okay, hey, my name is Pramod. I've been working or I'm looking for a job and I will be happy to connect with you if you have any kind of a similar opening that I'm requesting, right? So, number one, this is actually the mistake that many times people are making, where they are basically adding their friends. They are considering LinkedIn as a Facebook friend where they can chat and hang out. Instead, please use this as a professional network and add only the important persons who can help you to get a job, any kind of a QA job, right? So make sure you are adding. So now you will start adding the HRs instead of your college friends. Add seniors who are basically working in some important companies. For example, I have added many important persons from FANG, Microsoft, and Google, other companies, so that I can get some interviews through referrals, right? So make sure you do that and use LinkedIn like this. Okay, so that was tip number one. Second important tip is engage with the HRs and peer post on the LinkedIn, which I don't know why you guys are not doing it. If some HRs are posting that we have an opening, engage with it. If you know someone who can basically is suitable for the job, you can refer them. They will be very happy if you are helping them in their findings, right? Even the HRs, as well as if someone from your colleague team is posting on post on the LinkedIn about some experience and story, you can engage with them, you can talk about your experience and be open. That's the really important point, right? If you are engaging with the HRs and peers, then whenever they have an opportunity, they will find you first. This is really important, and this is what I have done. I was continuously in touch with the my HRs, even in the previous companies. As a fresher, I was basically connecting them over the LinkedIn, different HRs, and uh, I was sharing couple of things over the LinkedIn as well as they are sharing, right? I was engaging with them. Then we had a good relationship and I got couple of opportunities and jobs from it. Okay. So that's the important second point. Third one is sharing your struggle stories as well as achievements on LinkedIn, which you guys are not doing. I don't know why. Even if you are achieving something, if you have a blog, you can basically share that. If HRs are sharing it, please engage with them. This is point number two, right? We have discussed. So make sure you are sharing your struggle stories. Even if you are basically looking for a role, you can share on your LinkedIn. And if HRs have a similar role, definitely they will reach out to you. People are not asking, especially on the LinkedIn. People are not asking. There are a couple of person or people I have seen asking, and they are getting replies by their peers, their senior people, as well as HRs. Okay, so make sure you it's a professional network, guys. If you need something, you can ask, right? But you have to ask. That's the third point. You have to ask. So make sure you share your struggles, achievements regularly, and ask if you have anything that you need, especially on the LinkedIn. If you need any help in the job, if you are finding some difficulties, tag your HRs. I mean, I have done it like many times. I have tagged HRs to know their perspective. How should I handle this? Even if I have problem in certain HR related things in the current company or some other things, right? Okay. So that was your third point. The fourth point is let them know, but don't beg for the job. This is really important. Don't beg for the job, but let them know. How you can let them know? Okay, so what I have done is I have basically connected with the HRs. For example, suppose I have connected with the Amazon company. Okay, now I will let them know that hey, I'm a career fresher. I'm looking for a role. If you have a similar role, please reach out to me. Here is my number and an email ID. Okay, and if you are able to find any job in the jobs portal, right, you can tell them that this is the job ID that you guys have posted, and this is my resume. Please refer me, or please consider my resume as possible. And that works very, very, very well. And I don't know why you guys are not using LinkedIn for this. I have done many times where I will just step number one, I will go to the career portals. I will find the company, for example Amazon. I will find the HRs. I will connect with them. I'll send a proposal kind of a thing in a message with attached resume, and they will refer me freely. I mean, this I have done multiple times these things. So make sure you do that. The fifth point, which is really important for you guys, is help them and you will get a job. And you will say, Pramod, what is this? Help them. How I can help my HRs? Okay, so this is how you can help them. Basically, whenever if you are connected to the HRs group, right? What will happen is there are other openings. There, for example, if you are a QA fresher, there are openings for developers, right? If you know someone, you can refer them and help them, and tell that HR over the message that hey, my friend is looking for the role, and I think he's a perfect for you. If they got hired, they will say you a thank you. And you can say that if you have a role related to QA, please let me know because I am also looking. So you have to give one thing to get something back, right? This is called that, I think it's called as principle of reciprocity, right? Where you will first have to give something, then take it back, right? So that thing you can try with the HRs. They are normal people, they are human being like us, right? So that's what I have personally used. I have basically in I think when I was a fresher, I was able. I have a reach out to a particular HR, and a couple of friends were looking for a developer role. I have sent the resume to that HR, and few of them got hired, and he was very happy with me. And that HR helped me to get the job in Accenture at that time. So this works very well. I'm giving you my personal experience on this. Okay, so these are the five important tips. In the conclusion, let me reiterate them very quickly, which is adding your HRs and peers instead of your college friends. Engage with the HR post and their post. Share your stories and if possible achievements. Let them know, but don't beg them for the job. Help them and then get the job, which is really important. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope these tips will make you sense, and I think these are the best way to use LinkedIn to find any kind of a job, not only the QA or software tester job. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a like or subscribe if you are new to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, and if you are someone who is already has subscribed, thanks a lot for watching. And if you are someone who want to learn about the API testing, Selenium, Cypress, and all, give it a try on the playlist section of the Testing Academy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.